Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today I'm making some cinnamon rolls.
For this recipe, we need powdered sugar, pumpkin pie spice, ground cinnamon, butter, 2 eggs, milk, AP flour, dark brown sugar, cream cheese, instant yeast, vanilla extract, sugar, salt, and heavy whipping cream. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a paddle attachment and pour in half a cup of warm water and 1 packet of instant yeast and combine, and then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until frothy. Now add in 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, and then gradually add in 4 cups of AP flour. Mix it until that flour is just barely combined. Stop the mixer and let it sit for a couple minutes, then switch to your dough hook and let it knead your dough for 5 more minutes. After that, knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic, then place it in the greased bowl and cover with a damp cloth and let it rise for about an hour. Now it's time to assemble the rolls. Punch it down and roll it out on a floured surface into a rectangle. Now the filling. Get a bowl and combine 1 stick of room temp butter, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. Once you've done that, spread the cinnamon filling evenly over the dough, and after that, carefully roll the dough into a tight log, then cut into 12 pieces. Now put each piece in the greased baking dish and cover them with a cloth and let them rise again for about 45 minutes. Before baking these in the oven, we want to add in half a cup of heavy whipping cream so they can have more of a gooey texture and good moisture. Alright, into the oven these go for about 30 minutes. Now the icing. Get a bowl and combine the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and the 4 tablespoons softened butter until creamy. Now, gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and since we don't want this to be too thick or too thin, let's add in 1 tablespoon of milk, then stir again. Oh, and look at that, the cinnamon rolls are done. Spread the cream cheese frosting generously over the top while still warm. Also, if you're wondering how to say cinnamon rolls in Spanish, it's rollos de canela. Alright, I got my cinnamon roll. I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. This is outstanding, and the fact that I added in that pumpkin pie spice, it was pretty special. If I gave this to somebody, they probably wouldn't know I put that in there. That just makes it the secret ingredient since you can barely taste it. And I really called it when I said add heavy whipping cream. Half a cup or 1 cup of heavy whipping cream always goes good. If I didn't add in the heavy cream, these cinnamon rolls wouldn't be as moist.
Ooh. Oh, I need some milk now. Yeah. Yeah. These cinnamon rolls really go good with a glass of milk, especially at the middle of the night. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace! And remember, chefs make everything from scratch.